Yeah, guys. Last sessions we started data structures. In data structures, linked list completed. Remaining topics are stacks, queues, trees, graphs, and sorting and searching techniques, guys. Okay, these are topics left. Now we'll discuss these topics, guys, one by one. First one is stacks. Yeah, in linked list we finished many programs, right? Add first, add last, how to delete, everything we discussed, guys. Okay. Yeah, Ramesh, we discuss at last. Okay. Yeah, okay, Ramesh. Now we discuss stacks, guys. Yeah, we write some notes about stacks. Yeah, after that I will discuss stacks and stack related terminology. We discuss. Yeah, right. First one, stacks. What is stack? Stack and stack related terminology. First one, stack is a collection of this linear data structures. Stack is a linear data structure, guys. First point, stack is a collection of organized elements. Right? A stack is a collection of organized elements in which elements can be inserted and elements can be deleted from one end, known as top end. And the stack will follow LIFO technique, last in first out, or philo technique. The theory of stack follows LIFO or philo, first in last out. Right, guys? Stack is a collection of organized elements in which new elements can be inserted and deleted from one end, known as top end. Yeah, the stack will follow theory of LIFO technique, guys. Last in, first out. Yeah, stack related terminology, guys. Right. First one is top. First one is top. Stack related terminology. First one is top. What is top? Right? Inserting and deleting the elements from the stack while it always takes place from one end, known as top. Inserting and deleting the elements from the stack, it takes always from one end, known as top end. Yeah, the most of the developers are used to take the top values -1 in order to know the status of the stack. Most of the developers are used to take the top value is -1 in order to take the status of the stack. You know meaning of push, right? Yeah, first push, guys. You know English meaning, right? Push means inserting the elements into the stack is known as push operation, while inserting the top value to be raised by 1. While inserting top value raised by 1. Pop operation, guys. Pop. What is mean by pop? Deleting the elements from the stack is called pop. Deleting the elements from the stack is known as pop operation. While deleting top value decrement by 1. While deleting pop value decrement by 1. Next, overflow and underflow. Overflow and underflow. Write overflow, guys. No space to push an element into the stack. There is no space to push an element into the stack. Is known as stack overflow. Normally at the time of stack overflow, the top value is size minus 1. Next, underflow. Underflow. Write underflow. Is completed. Underflow also. Till underflow. Yeah, Vaishnavi, good. Yeah, first I will show you in diagram, guys. After that, how to implement, I will show you. Okay. Yeah, next point, right? The next point. Stack can be implemented two ways. Stack can be implemented two ways. One is stack with fixed size, stack with arrays, stack with linked list, unlimited size. If there is no size, stack with arrays and stack with linked list, guys. Yeah, stack with arrays and stack with the linked list, guys. Yeah, I will show you in diagram representation. For example, stack with the fixed size, guys. Nothing but a stack with arrays. See this. This is a initial status of stack. Initial status of the stack. Yeah, see this, guys. Initial status of the stack is first initial size is 3. Stack with fixed size, no? Yeah, stack with fixed size. Now that size of the stack is initially stack with arrays, no? The size is 3, guys. Now this is how much, guys? S of 0. First, this index value is S of 0. This is what? S of 1. This is S of 2. Indexes will be there, guys. S of 2. S of 0 and S of 1 and S of 2. Right? Yeah, initially top value is how much, guys? -1. What is top, guys? Top is a pointer. Top is a pointer. You know, right? What is pointer? Yes. It shows some location, right? Pointer means what? It shows some location. Yeah, what is top? Top shows two positions. What are those two positions, guys? First one is inserting position. Second one is what? Deleting position. Inserting position and deleting position. Top is a pointer. Top is a pointer. It points to inserting or deleting location, right? Initial status of stack is -1. -1 means it's empty. Now presently it is empty. Okay. Clear, guys? It's empty. Now next, while inserting 10, insert 10. While inserting, what happens, guys? This inserting is called, what is this operation, guys? Special name there we have given push 10. Inserting is called push 10. Okay. While inserting, what happened, guys? Top value raised by 1. Top value raised by 1, right? Now push of 10. If I try to push an element into the stack, top value raised by 1. What is top? I will show you guys. Now see, this is S of 0, S of 1 and S of 2. This is S of 0, S of 1 and S of 2, right? This value is how much, guys? S of 0, now S of 1 and S of 2. Yeah, good. But what is top value? While inserting, I told you, right? While push, now top value raised by 1. What is top value, guys? Top is 0. Now that element will be stored in which location? S of top location, guys. What is S of top? S of 0. That is 10 will be stored in S of 0. 10 will be stored in S of 0. Next, push 20, guys. Right? While push 20 means what is stack value? Yeah, this is what? S of 0, guys. S of 0 is S of 1 and this is S of 2. Yeah, first element, right? If you try to insert that element, what is top value, guys? Top value raised by 1. What is top now? That is top is 1. That element is stored in S of top. The 20 will be stored here, guys. Already this is 10, right? 10 inserted, 20 also inserted. Now try to push an element, one more element I want to push, guys. Right? Push 30. If I try to insert element into the stack, push 30. Now that element stored in S of top, guys. What is S of top? See this, S of 0 and S of 1. While inserting, top value raised by 1, right? First element is already S of 0 completed, right? It filled with data. S of 1 also. Now top value is what? Top value raised by 1. While inserting, top value raised by 1. What is top value? Initially top. Now next, what is top value is 1. Now that element is inserted in top value is 2. Top is 2, right? You write top is 2. That element, which location it will store, guys? S of top. What is S of top? That element is inserted at S of 2. Now S of top means, guys, S of 2 this is. Yeah. S of 1 also completed, right? What is S of 1? This is 10. This is 20. Right? Now this is S of 0. Yeah. Now what is this size, guys? What is top? Top is a size minus 1. What is top, guys? Top value is what? Size minus 1. If top value is size minus 1, then it is what, guys? Overflow. That is a full, we can't insert, right? That is full, guys. Overflow. That is overflow. Okay, you can't insert one more element. You can't insert one more element, right? While inserting, right? That is top is what? Top is 2, size minus 1. Initially stack size is how much? 3. Size minus 1, then it is a overflow, guys. Now I want to delete also, guys. While deleting, what is this operation we call? That is a pop, guys. Listen carefully, don't write. Now I am trying to pop. First apply pop operation. When you do a pop operation, guys, see, same like for example, which element can be deleted? Which element can be deleted? For example, see, folder is there, guys. For example, now see, for example, folder inside folder is there. Now I will show you where this concept used, where this concept is used, right? Already I told you linked list. Where do you use a linked list? Linked list forward. This is linked list, guys. Single linked list and double linked list. These two left and right buttons are there. No, that is a forward and next buttons. Single linked list, double linked list. Forward and backward direction. You can move the pages. That is implemented using linked list only. Now my what is stack? Where do you stack? For example, if I have, I will show you. Wait a minute. For example, one folder is there. Inside one more folder is there. For example, I want to delete outer folder. Yeah, if you want to delete this folder, compulsorily you need to delete those folders. Automatically those will be deleted. Yes or no? Yeah, outer folder if you want to delete, compulsorily inner folders will be deleted. Same way, here also, if you want to pop, first which element can be deleted, guys? First the topmost element can be deleted, guys. What is topmost element, right? You know, right? What is topmost element here? It's a 30. Topmost element is deleted. While trying to delete, if you delete, pop value decrement by 1. Top value decrement by 1, guys. Now I am applying pop operation. First which element is deleted? S of top will be deleted. What is S of top? S of 2 is deleted. Now that is what, guys? 20. 20 you are going to delete. Now S of 2. What is S of 2? That is 20. Now you are deleting, guys. Now 20 I am going to delete. Okay, that is deleted. When you delete, this is S of top, no? What is S of top? This is S of 2. That is deleted. Now what is top value, guys? Top value decrement by 1. What is top now? Top is 1. Because earlier top is 2. Now we deleted 30, guys, not 20. Not this value. Right, 30, right? S of top. Not 20, guys. Which element, guys? That is 30, no? The 30 can be deleted. 30 can be deleted. Okay, no? Now which element can be deleted, guys? 20 and 10. Now this is what? S of 2, S of 1, S of 0. This is S of 0 and S of 1 and S of 2. This element can be deleted, top value. Now again, if we try to apply pop operation, do pop operation, guys. When you try to do pop operation, now which element can be deleted? Now S of top. What is S of top, guys? S of 1. S of 1 can be deleted. What is S of 1, guys? 20. 20 can be deleted. Now this element also can be deleted. Now this is deleting. You are deleting, no? Now that is already deleted, right? This element deleted. Right, now we are deleting this element. What is this element, guys? Now S of this is 20. We are deleting 20, guys. Now what is top value? Top value decrement by 1. What is top here? Top is 1. Top value decrement by 1. What is top? Top is 0. Now top is what is the top value? S of this. Now see this value, guys. S of 2, S of 1, S of 0. Now again we are going to delete the next element. If you delete next element, guys, which element can be deleted? That is also pop operation. We are doing pop operation, right? which element? S of top, S of 0 can be deleted. Okay, when S of 0 is deleted, then top value is how much? Top is -1. Again, it is empty. That third element also you are deleting. That 10 also will be deleted. Already this is deleted, no? This is deleted. Now, which element you are deleting as next element? This is already deleted. Now we are deleting the third element also. Now 10 also will be deleted. Okay. Now this is how much, guys? S of top means nothing but S of 0, S of 1, S of 2. Yeah, after final, what is top value, guys? Now top is what? -1. Yeah, when is top is -1, what happens finally? Now the stack value is how much, guys? Right? This value is what? That is initially empty now, right? Again, it comes to initial position. What is initial position, guys? Now S of 0 is empty, S of 1 is empty, total stack is empty, guys. Now this is empty. What is top value, guys? It's a -1, initial status of the stack. This is called stack underflow, right? This is stack is underflow, guys. If top is -1, stack is stack underflow. This stack underflow, guys. Okay. Yeah, draw this diagram. Completed this diagram, right? How to push and pop operation, right? You can understand what are the operations involved. Push operation, pop operation, right? Overflow and underflow, right? You understood the terminology of stack, right? top, push, pop, overflow, underflow. These 5 terminologies. Yes, implementation. Yeah, first small program I will write, guys. Next on big program. First small program using stack, guys. Yeah, simple program, 10 to 15 lines, right? After that, with all operations we discuss stack. First stack with arrays. Yes. Now we write a implementation. Completed. Guys, diagram completed. Yeah, Mahigna. Yeah, we discuss program, guys. Terminology important. In stack only we call push, right? Stack only we call push. In remaining linked list we call add first, insert only. Okay. Only stack itself we call push operation, pop operation, and other operations. Okay. See how to implement it. How to implement the stack. First a small program. After big programs we discuss. Yeah, first one, guys. Program execution starts with main, you know, right? Yeah, now I am defining as define. I am taking one macro, that is size. Size is 5 initially. 5 or 3, that is your wish, guys. You can take. Yeah. Take array also, guys. Into S of size. Into S of 5, right? If you take S of size, that is what, guys? 5 it is. Yeah. Int already we have taken array, guys. What is the variables required? You can declare outside also, inside also. I am taking only one function, no? I comma top is what? Top is -1. Okay. Top is -1. First I want to insert one by one. Why top is required, guys? Top is a pointer. It points to the pointing location, inserting location. Okay, first see this, guys. Printf enter an element into stack. Okay, before going to enter an element into the stack, S of percentile location. What is that percentile location, guys? S of top location. That is S of top. Here I will write S of top. Yeah, if I write S of top, what happens? See, for example, guys, if I run this program, save as .c extension stack stack ex1 stack example1 dot c. See, initially what it is showing S of 0. Okay. Yeah, top value should rise by 1. Top value should write, no? Top equals to what? Top plus plus. If I write top plus plus, that is S of 0. That top value. Sorry, guys, this is what? S of top initially zeros are there. Now top is what? Before what is this value without writing top plus plus. What is this value, guys? S of minus 1. But we insert which location, guys? First, initially S of 0 location. This is a S of 0 location we insert. Okay. What are a global we declared now? What is S of 0? It's a 0. This is also 0 and this is also 0. Initially all are zeros. That's why we got zeros, guys. Enter an element into stack. S of which location, guys? S of minus 1. Now I'll write top plus plus. That value, see now once S of top is what? S of 0. Okay. Insert that location. How to insert? Scanf percentile address of S of top. Now insert 10 I inserted. Okay, it comes inside. What to do, guys? Do it this again and again. Till how much time? Till how much time, guys? I will write do while. See this. You have to stop somewhere, right? See this. Do while of. Now this condition what I have to write? Top value. What is top value, guys? You can stop while one or while of one, do while one. Yeah, continuously it executes, right? For example, 10 it is, 20, 30, 40, but still it executes like this. While one we have written no 60. But this is not correct, no, right? Yeah, then how to stop this, guys? Yeah, I stored as, that's why I stored, I saved as stocky one dot example one dot c. Yeah, see this, guys. First, before going to do this top plus plus, right? Top plus plus, everything I will keep in do while. See, right? Do while. You have to stop somewhere as this while of one. What is while of one, guys? If we compile, we get one warning, guys. What is the warning? I will show you. See this. Scan of percentile d address of S of top. That element will be stored in S of top location. S of 0, first S of 1. Yeah, you can see the warning. Directly we have written unreachable code. Why unreachable code it is showing? While one means continuously. Here it is showing that unreachable code. Okay now. See this. Where is the warning? Here it is showing because it won't go to that line. It won't go to that line because while one means constantly. It's a true. Constant it is true. That's why it won't go to the next line. That's why unreachable. What is mean by unreachable? You know, right? Sometimes when you are called to mobile, not reachable. Okay, what is mean by not reachable? Your phone signal is not going to that location. Same here, control is not reaching to the last location or that line. That's why it is showing unreachable, right? Yeah. Now how to write this, guys? Top plus plus. What is top plus plus? Till which location, guys? We insert top 0, top 1, top 2, top 3. Okay. Now whenever it is if what is this value? Top equals to size minus 1, you have to stop this, guys. Yeah, while 1, yeah, instead of while 1 you can write like this, top equals to size minus 1, but that value also you should insert, right? Yeah, I will write, guys. See this here, what I have to write the condition top equals to, okay, we try to write a top equals to size minus 1, but I want to give a message. No, I don't want to write like this, guys. Okay, top is size minus 1, that element has to insert. Here I want to give one message. If, see this, top equals to size minus 1, if top equals to size minus 1 overflow, I want to give that message. Printf stack is overflow, I want to give this message, and I want to come outside from stack is overflow. Okay, break. What is break, guys? It stops the loop. Break means, you know, right? What is break? Break means stops the loop. Yeah, once execute this loop, Save once, because if anything happen, you may lose it all. Insert that element. I did not write right 20, 30, 40, 50 stack overflow. I want to write clear screen, guys. So I will write a clear screen. See this. Write clear screen. Now I am writing clear screen, guys. Once execute, enter the first element 10, 20, 30, 40, right? You can't insert S of 0 top value. See, stack is overflow, but top value what happened? Now this is not S of top, guys. What is this top? First element S of 1, S of 2, S of 3, S of 4 inserted, stack is overflow. You can't insert. Now I want to display the elements. Clear now? Guys, completed. You understood, right? How this loop will execute. First, initially top value we take some 5 or 0. See this. This is stack, guys. This is S of 0, S of 0, right? This element is S of 0, S of 1, S of 2, S of 3, S of 4. First element, it comes here, top plus plus. What is top plus plus? S of 4. This is top 0, guys. And what is this value, guys? Top 0. First, initially top is 0. That element is inserted percentile address of S of top. That is inserted in S of top. What is S of top? Nothing but a S of 0. S of top, nothing but a S of 0, guys. After that, it checks the size. Size minus 1. No, size we have taken how much? 5, guys. Initially 5. Next time, where it goes? While 1 always 2. It executes from here. Top plus plus. What is top plus plus, guys? Top is how much? Top is 1, guys. Now we write top value is what? 1. Top is 1. Okay, whenever it is top is 1, right? That element is inserted S of top. What is S of top, guys? S of 1 location. This is S of 1. S of 1. Now again it checks whether it is empty or full. No, right? Again top plus plus. What is top plus plus? Top is 2, guys. Whenever it is top is 2, that element is inserted S of top. That is 30. Again it checks whether it is full or no, it's not full. Again top plus plus. What is top plus plus, guys? Top is 3. That element is inserted percentile S of top. That 40 is inserted in S of 3 location. S of 3 also completed. Again it checks, it's not overflow. Top plus plus. What is top plus plus, guys? Top is 4. Top is 4. Okay, that element is inserted in S of top. What is S of top, guys? 50. That element is inserted. Now top is size minus 1. Yes, then it is overflow. It comes outside. Now I want to display first which element, guys? This element top 4 value, top 3, top 2. I should start from top to 0. Top to 0 we have to display the elements. Now stack elements are, I'm going to print the stack element. See how I am going to print the stack element. Print of, see this, guys. Stack elements are how to print, guys. For I is 0, it's not 0, guys. I is top location. I greater than or equals to 0, I minus minus. We are going to print sleep 1 second delay. Sleep 1 second delay. That element has to print it. We have to print of. We are going to print S of percentile D equals to percentile A. What is that percentile? I comma S of I. Yeah, sleep 1 means what? 1 second delay. We are giving 1 second delay. Which element will be displayed? I will show you. See how this will execute, guys. Also, this is already we inserted the elements. For example, this is what? See this, guys. This is S of 4, S of 3, S of 2, S of 1, and S of 0. This is how much, guys? 10. This is 10. This is 20. This is 30, 40, 50. Right? That locations, guys. 0 location, first location, second location, third location, and fourth location. Okay, I is top. What is I is top, guys? Top is 50. Right, sorry, top is 4. Top value is how much, guys? 4. Top is 4. Now I greater than or equals to 0. Top is how much? Top is 4, guys. That element first S of which element will be displayed? S of top. What is S of top? This is 50 will be displayed. Next, I minus minus. Then one by one will be deleted. Then all elements will be printed, guys. One check it. Insert the element 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Now see the elements stack overflow. Stack elements are S of 4, S of 3, S of 2, S of 1, and S of 0. Last in first out. First 50 comes, 40, 30, 20, 10 comes. Okay. Write this program, guys. After that, next one big program we discuss. First finish. Not understand, then ask again. I will explain. Okay. First, write while writing. Try to understand. Thank you, guys. Write this program. Yeah, guys, completed. Yes, completed. Next program. Yes. Write with three functions. Yeah, big program. Three functions we write. See this. First initial I will take as defined same size. Take size, guys. Size is how much? 5. Now what are the values you want? S of top is required. What is top? First to declare top. Top is -1. Yeah, size is how much? S of size. Yeah, now I want to take size is 3 only, not 5, guys. S of size, and I is for looping purpose. Yeah, program executions start from main. I want options. First stack menu I want to display, guys. How to display stack menu? Printf of series, guys. Now I want to display stack menu. Yeah, what are the options you want? Push pop, push, right? Second one is pop. Third one is what? Display. Yeah, display. Fourth one is wise exit. These 4 options I want. Stack menu. Once execute. First I will save this program, guys. First I will save. Stack example 2.c. Yeah, clear screen. I want to clear the screen. Right, CLR SCR guys. Clear screen. Stack menu, push, pop, display, and exit. These four options, right? Yeah, push, pop, display, exit. Four options are there. I want to display those options. Select your choice, guys. How to write a choice? Printf of select your choice. Scanf address of choice or option. Take option choice. What is O guys? Choice. Into O is nothing but option or choice. Yeah. First enter this. Select your choice. One or two or three. I want repeat and again. That's why what I will do. I want to keep in do while guys. Keep in do while. Now I am keeping in do while. See this. Which option you want? Yeah. What is choice guys? O. O is less than or equals to 4, right? Then do these options. Select your option. See this first, second, third, fourth, like this. Fifth, whenever if I press fifth, it comes outside. Till 4 only it repeats. 1 repeat, 2 repeat, 3 repeat, 4 repeat, 5. Stop this because O less than or equals to 4. Clear? But I don't want like this. What I will do, clear screen now. I will write clear screen here guys. Press 1. It will delete it and it will display like this. Okay, na? 5 come outside. Now which option you want? First, right? Switch case I will take. Switch off. What are the options you want guys? Switch off for push operation, pop operation. Those operations I want to take. Push pop. Case 1 guys. What is case 1? Push operation. Call push break. Case 2. What is case 2? Pop operation delete and break. Case 3. What is case 3? Display operation break. Case 4. What is case 4? Exit operation. Exit of 0. Then no need of break. Exit means it comes outside. Yeah, but if I execute now, it gives a error. Okay, save again. Yeah, compile and execute. But no errors while compiling, while running. 3 errors. What are 3 errors? Push, pop, display functions. You call them, but there is no that functions there. Okay. Functions, whenever you call those functions at the time of linking on it will check. I want to write those functions. What are those functions guys? Void push function. Okay na? Push function, void pop function, void display function. Exit no need to write, already it is there. Yeah guys, push, while writing push means inserting guys. Guys listen, while inserting what you have to check? While inserting we have to check it is whether empty is there or space is there or not. Are you following? క్లియర్. మీరు ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? స్పేస్ ఉందా లేదా చెక్ చేయాలి. ఆర్ యూ ఫాలోయింగ్ గైస్? ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు ఇన్సర్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు చెక్ వెదర్ స్పేస్ ఇస్ దేర్ ఆర్ నాట్, రైట్? Yeah, first condition whether space is there or not, you have to check it. How do you know whether space is there or not? If it is not full, space is there. Are you following guys? If it is not full, space is there. If it is full, no space, right? Yeah, first of all check it if space is there or not. How to know? If top equals to size minus 1, then it is overflow, then no space. Printf stack is overflow, no space. If it is not overflow, what to do? Top plus plus, right? Stack is overflow, top plus plus. First initially insert that element. Printf enter an element. Yeah, that element should insert which location? S of percentile D. What is this S of percentile D? That is nothing but a top one, right? Top initially 0. Now I am inserting percentile D address of S of top. Yeah. When should it execute, guys? If it is not overflow, else part we have to add. Else part only have to write. If it is not overflow, then only we have to execute this. Okay, now once execute this, once execute, remaining functions already we have written. Push operation, insert element 10, push operation 20, push operation 30. If I press 1, is not showing that message, no, 4 for exit. You need that message. Yeah, that's why here I will write get ch. It is showing and it is going, guys, right? It is not waiting to observe or watch. Push 10, push 1, 20, push 1, 30. Push 1, stack is overflow. Stack is overflow, right? Stack is overflow. If I press 1, stack is overflow. Clear, guys? For display option we write. We will display. While displaying also two conditions we have to check. What are the two conditions, guys? We have to check for what? Whether empty or not. If top equals to -1. Now right, top equals to -1, stack is empty. Now we have to write stack is empty. Initially stack is empty. If it is not empty, display that message, right? We have to display stack elements are. If you want to print stack elements are, I don't want to write I equals to top, I greater than or equals to, greater than or equals to 0. You know, guys, I minus minus. Already we discussed this. Display elements. I'm going to display the elements. Printf, print that element. Which location is deleted? Percentile. Now I am going to display in next line each element in next line. S of percentile D equals to percentile D, I comma S of I. Once execute, first press 3. It is not displaying any message. 4. Here I am going to write, guys, get ch. See what is get ch use. Press 4. 3, guys. Stack is empty. Stack is empty. Insert element. 1 I inserted. First 1, 10. One element is there. 1, 20. 2 elements are there. 130. 3 elements are there. 1 we can't insert. Stack is overflow, right? It is showing for stack is overflow, right? We can't insert. Now delete options you want, right? 4 options. While deleting, also same we have to check, guys. If top equals to -1, then same condition, guys. Top equals to -1, we have to check it. Printf stack is empty or not, right? Stack is underflow. I'm writing stack is underflow. To delete, we have to check it whether it is underflow or not. If it is not underflow, delete topmost element. How to delete the topmost element? Printf. Now I am going to write S of percentile D deleted. Percentile D deleted from simple, guys. Last this topmost element. We're going to delete. This is a 50. For example, 50 is deleted. Where is top? Top is at 4th location. Top is at 4th location. This is what? S of 4. Yeah, whatever, right? 50 is deleted. Percentile D is deleted from S of percentile D. Percentile D deleted from S of percentile D. What is the percentile? That value, guys. S of top. That location we have to give. First, That value is what? Top value. Now I will write, see this. Percentile deleted from S of percentile location. Yeah, what is percentile guys? I, sorry, top, S of top is deleted from top location. Top minus minus. Top should be deleted. Yeah. How to delete guys? Deleting nothing but S of top initialized to null. That's all. That is deletion guys. Give one message, get ch. Once press one error null. When you write null, header file is mandatory guys. We have to write header file. Now I am writing header file is what? Hash include stdio.h. Once execute guys, one 10 inserted, one 20 inserted, one 30 inserted. Press 3, 30, 20, 10. Now press 3, 30, 20, 10. 30 is deleted from S of 2. Press 3. 20, 10 is topmost element is what guys? Now topmost element is 20. Now press 2. 20 is deleted from S of 1. Press 3 guys. Only one element is there, that is 10. Again delete that element. 10 is deleted from this. Press 3. Stack is empty. Can you delete? You can't delete any element. Okay now? Yes. Press 4 exit. Once again 2, press 2 directly. If I try to press 2, is there any elements? No, stack is underflow initial. Okay now, write this program guys. First push function write, after that push pop remaining functions we write. Yeah, next stack with linked list, same program guys, but with the linked list. Yeah, stack with unlimited size. Yeah, first self-referential, same program guys, same options I want. See this, main I will take, but stack with linked list, no? See this. Same options I want. Yeah. What are the options? Push pop and same options, guys. Now I'll take push pop, right? See this. Wide push, same wide pop. Next to wide display. These three options I want. First take self-referential. Linked list means self-referential structure, no? Stuck to node. Data and next field is required. Data into data. Take data field and stuck to node star next, guys. Yeah. What is required? You know, right? Stuck to node. What is required, guys? Top node. Top initially null. Not -1, guys. Here. It's a top is null. If you want to create new node, guys. New node I have created. Push operation, no unlimited, it is unlimited size, create new node. How to create new node? Malloc of size of struct to node. Yeah, struct to node star. Yeah, new node is created. This is a new node, guys. Enter, this is 10. Initial, this is null, no? This is null. Create, this value is a top only. First node is a top. Create top, this is, first node is top. Next time, second node is created. Make it this as top. This is a new node. Make it this as top. This has to point. Top next equals to what? What is that? New new node next is top. Yeah, what I right? First initially, new one next is top. New one next is top. Here what I right, guys? See this. Enter the data. How to enter the data? We are going to enter the data. Enter data. At value scanf. We are going to store percentile d, address of new one data. new one data, right? New one next is top. Finally, what is top? Top equals to new one. This is void push operation, guys. Okay, no unlimited size, no. Yeah, when you write null, guys, hash include stdio.h, you have to write stack e3.c, stack with the linked list, push operation, enter data 10, 20, 1, 30, unlimited size, right? No overflow. Display those elements, guys. How to display those elements? We are going to display those elements. Same, first whether it is empty or not. If top equals to null, it is empty. Printf stack is empty. If it is not empty, else display that elements. Okay, from where to where? Top node to null, right? Take for temp node, temp equals to top, temp not equals to null, temp equals to temp next. In first in single linked list you have written, guys, temp equals to temp next. Sleep one. Yeah, display that element. Printf slash n percentile d, write new one data. If you want address also, you can display address, guys, but I don't want address. I'm not writing address. See, once I will show you first. Once execute, one error, temp, take temporary also. Now new one, this is temporary also, start temporary. Once execute, guys, 1, 10 it is. Okay, 4 exit. Once again I will exit, press 3, stack is empty, no elements, no. Press 3, stack is empty. Press 1, enter 10, I enter 10, press 3. Press 3, it is not displaying because get ch. Now I'll write get ch also, guys. Sleep one, sorry, 1 second delay we have given now. Press 3, stack is empty, 1, enter 10. Displaying and I'll remove this, not new one data, guys, this is temp data. Yeah, temp data. Once execute, press 3, stack is empty, press 1, 10. Press 3, that is 10. Press 1, 20. Press 3, 20, 10. Press 1, 30. Press 3, 30, 20, 10. Top to bottom. Okay, deleting, guys. Okay, while deleting, this is top node, no, this is top node. Delete top node, this is top. What to do, guys? Take temporary one, make it temporary one is top, delete this and go to this next location. Now if top equals to null, you can write it's empty, nothing but underflow. Stack is underflow. If it is not underflow, else, then how to write? Take temporary one, temporary one equals to top. Okay, move the top, top equals to top next, top is moved. Now free the temporary one. Yeah, that data is deleted, no, you can write that is deleted. Which one is deleted, guys? Printf, that message I am giving, slash n percentile d deleted. Yeah, what is that percentile d? That is the temp one data. Temp one data is deleted. Yeah, temp one we should declare. Get ch close, guys. Start temporary one. Once execute, one error, print a mistake is there. Enter, press 3, stack is empty. Press 2, deleting also, nothing is there. 1, 10 inserted, 120 inserted, 130 inserted. Now press 3, 30 is there, 20 is there, 10 is there. Now press 2, 30 deleted, press 3, 20, 10 is there. Press 2, 20 deleted, press 3, 10 is there. Press 2, 10 deleted, press 3, stack is empty. Press 2, stack is underflow. Completed. Huh? Press 4, exit. Yeah guys, write this program. Now stack with the linked list, unlimited memory. Stack with the linked list. Yeah, write this guys. Yeah, display also, right? Display also, guys. Yeah, that's all, guys, today. In next session, we discuss queues and other topics. Any doubts in link in stacks? Any doubts, guys? Yeah, thank you.